Hi Crafty Friends, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Today here in Texas, it is currently right now guys 102 degrees, and I think it's going to be in the hundreds all week. So yeah, nice and toasty. I went for my walk like I usually do and I almost died because it was so hot. So it looks like I'm going to have to just try to walk a little earlier. Yeah, because I sort of overslept today. But anyway, okay, so today we are going to do a post review. And before I forget, I just want to say thank you again to all my subscribers and welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. So believe it or not, I was able to finish this is going to be two post reviews. So I finished two paintings. All right, this one is it's called Pink House, and it's from DIY Choose, and it was $4.49, and it was a lot of fun, guys. That's all I can say. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters, and it was 22 colors. Okay, so you have the legend upper left hand side and the lower right hand side. What else about this painting? The drills were, I can't believe it, but the drills were actually very, very nice. I didn't have any problems with stickiness, which I like. It's just the perfect stickiness. I hate when it's so much that the drills sort of glide, and if it's or if it doesn't, like, they don't slide, sometimes they just get stuck and it's hard to move. But this was perfect, so no problems with the drills. I had leftovers almost on all the colors, and very, very, very little trash. I mean, I think it was maybe, like, you can count them, 5 or 6. So very happy. I decided to pick this one. It was 3 of them, but this one was the most popular. Everyone seemed to enjoy, love the Pink House. So I picked this one because it has all these beautiful flowers on the trees, and the house, of course, the Pink House reminds me of the townhouses in New York City, and a beautiful pink truck, and it's all full of the flowers. So let me bring it up so you can see it a little better. It's very shiny. See the shine? Look at the shutters, the door. So very happy with this one, guys. I think you guys will definitely enjoy this one. So this was, again, from DIY Choose, $4.49. All right, so let me show you the other one. Now the other one was actually even faster. I think I did this one, believe it or not, in 2 days. That one took me 4 days because I'm a slowpoke, and I'm also working on 2 other big paintings. But this one, guys, this one took me 2 days because I am a slowpoke, like I mentioned before. And this one was called Letters, and is from New Craft Day, and it costs $5.21. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters. It has 13 colors, and it's got the legend also on the left upper side and on the right on the lower side. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love this one because it's special drills, but who doesn't like special drills, right? And of course, it's a song that I used to sing to my daughter when she was a little girl every night. But look how cool and look how shiny she is. I really, really enjoyed doing the beads and her bracelets, and of course the petals on the sunflower. And it was actually very easy. No problems with the drills. Sticky, no problem. In the trash, maybe 1 or 2, you know, the ones with like the little bump. And I had leftovers also. So wonderful, love it. Love Lucy, her necklace, her beads, and her bracelets, just very cool. So I enjoyed both of them, guys. You can't go wrong with either. Okay. Now, I also made this sign for my craft room. So I bought the wood from, I think it was Joann's, and then I bought some letters, and I colored the letters with a marker, and then after I did that, I used stickles, and so that's why it's like very shiny. So this is gonna go behind me on my craft room, And of course, I would love to show you guys my craft room, but it is a major mess. It's very cluttered right now, so I need to basically start donating and clean up my room. But anyway, so I really enjoyed this, guys. This was very easy to make also. So let me move this down. And there goes the, I can't really put everything in here, but anyway, so I just put the 2 paintings. And I really wanted to work on the, what's it called? Christmas in July. And I did order some paintings, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that because it's just very busy. I'm trying to finish those 2 big paintings. And so if I don't, I could do a unboxing because I actually ordered 4 from Amazon and they're Christmas. So maybe I'll do that next. So that's about it, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.